I'm supposed to review this package. Usually men don't want me to comment on their package, but Rob says it's okay. It's a lot longer than any other package I've ever had in my 2 hands. Notice how I slide the clear sleeve off of it. You're really supposed to pinch the end, but it was already on. I'm not really technologically inclined, but this appears to be a keyboard. There's a lot of tape. I don't have long fingernails. Or long fingers, for that matter. Can I break your box? Oh. It's a little harder than I thought it would be. As are most packages. Finally! Okay, oh, there's a mouse too. That makes sense. So really, I wasn't unboxing, I was just unwrapping your package. It seems big. Is it supposed to be this big? Are all keyboards this big? It seems big to me. Maybe that's good for other people with their fat fingers. For me, I feel like you have to stretch. Like, that's why I didn't play the piano for very long. Because it hurts. You can only do this so far. I don't know. It seems fine. This looks like a futuristic mouse. Like if the Batmobile were a mouse. Yeah, seems good. There's a little thumb rest right here. It's kind of fun. I can see that. I think I like the mouse a lot better than the keyboard. Other than that, seems like a solid purchase. Good job, Rob. Here's how you really take off the plastic. Make sure all the stuff stayed in the bottom. And then you throw it away. Okay. I think that's it. There's nothing else in here.
There's nothing else in there?
I don't think so.
No batteries?
No. There are! They were like hidden! Holy shit! That's cool! Wow, that was like a treasure hunt. It's the most exciting thing that's happened to me since I took a nap.